Castor oil might seem like an unlikely beauty ingredient, but this versatile oil has been used for centuries to treat everything from dry skin to brittle hair. In fact, this natural oil has a range of amazing uses that you may not have even heard of. So whether you're looking for an all-natural and affordable way to moisturize your skin, strengthen your hair, or even remove warts, you'll find the perfect solution in this incredible oil. In this video, we will explore 7 amazing castor oil uses that you need to know about. From DIY recipes to expert tips, we've got everything you need to know about using castor oil to improve your health and beauty. We urge you to watch this video to the end. Before we dive into the many uses of castor oil, let's talk a little about castor oil. Castor oil is a thick, viscous oil that's extracted from the seeds of the castor bean plant. The oil is made by crushing the seeds and then pressing them to extract the oil. This process produces a pure oil that's clear or slightly yellow in color. And because it's so high in ricinoleic acid, it has many health and beauty benefits. It also consists of other nutrients like omega-6 fatty acids and even minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Now let's get down to the uses of this wonder oil. Number 1. Helps hair treatment. I'm yet to see a woman or a man who dislikes the beauty that comes with shiny, well put together natural hair. The good news is castor oil can help with that. While castor oil does not directly increase your hair length or volume, the ricinoleic acid present in them stimulates blood circulation on your scalp, providing more nutrition and oxygen to your hair follicles. Nourished hair roots grow faster, so castor oil is considered a growth promoter. Moreover, due to the rich vitamins and omega-369 fatty acids content, castor oil reduces split ends and makes our hair soft, silky, and smooth. Beautiful to know you can get the hair you admire and wish for. Applying castor oil to your hair should be an easy yet beneficial process. During application, mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of jojoba or coconut oil because of how thick the nature of castor oil is. Apply the oil from the roots of your clean hair and leave for some minutes. How hard can it be? Number 2. Skin rejuvenator. Castor oil can be an excellent addition to your skincare routine. Not only is it an effective moisturizer, but it can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That's thanks to its high concentration of vitamin E, which is known for its antioxidant and anti-aging properties. You can use castor oil on its own or mix it with other ingredients like aloe vera or coconut oil. Just be sure to do a patch test before using it on your face, as some people may have an allergic reaction to castor oil. When applying castor oil to your skin, it's important to note that you allow it to sit for a long time before rinsing out. Also, it improves the skin elasticity, so applying this magical potion on your skin daily will do wonders. Not just to your body and face, but also to your nails. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent. This helps keep the nails free from infection, which is key for maintaining strong, healthy nails. It also has nourishing properties that can help strengthen brittle nails. And the vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids in castor oil help promote nail growth. So applying castor oil to the nails, face and body regularly can help keep them strong, healthy, and looking their best. Number 3. Helps ease arthritis pain. As we have already said, castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Ricinoleic acid suppresses the release of pro-inflammatory mediators, reducing inflammation, redness, tenderness, pain, swelling, edema, and may relieve other arthritis-related pains. With its natural anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil is an ideal massage oil and can be applied on aching joints and muscles. To enjoy its pain relief benefits, gently massage the affected area using castor oil. Do this consistently for about a week, and you will notice a pain reduction in the affected area. Using castor oil to massage inflamed joints isn't the only way to benefit from its pain relief properties. One study revealed that castor oil supplements also help reduce osteoarthritis-related knee pain. For the study, participants took castor oil capsules 3 times a day for 4 straight weeks, and it was observed that 92% of the participants reported a significant reduction in their arthritis-related pain levels, all with no side effects. Number 4. Reduces constipation. Castor oil is also used to treat constipation. This should be of some relief considering how much of an issue constipation is. Want to know how it works? Castor oil is a stimulant laxative, which means it works by stimulating the intestines. When the oil is ingested, it is broken down by the liver and converted into a substance called ricinoleic acid. This acid is then absorbed into the bloodstream and carried to the intestines. There, it acts on the smooth muscle cells in the intestines, causing them to contract and move the stool along. So, in a nutshell, castor oil helps with constipation by stimulating the movement of stool through the digestive system. However, it's important to note that castor oil can cause some uncomfortable side effects like gas and cramping. So it's best to start with a small dose and increase gradually. And remember to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Number 5. Helps oral care. Castor oil has a long history of oral applications to keep teeth and gums healthy. It has been used for removing plaque and disinfecting dentures since ancient times. Today, many people swish castor oil in their mouths for daily dental care. People also soak their dentures in a 10% castor oil solution, which is known to eradicate Candida, Streptococci, and Staphylococci species. But that's not the only benefit it offers to the mouth. It's also great for relieving dry mouth. Dry mouth is a common problem that can be caused by a variety of things, like certain medications or medical conditions. When you have a dry mouth, it can be difficult to speak, eat, and even swallow. Castor oil is a natural way to combat this problem. It can be applied directly to the gums or added to a water-based mouth rinse to help soothe the mouth and relieve dryness. Number 6. Helps to heal wounds. Castor oil has also been used for centuries to help wounds heal faster. The ricinoleic acid content in the oil is known to interact with several proteins that control different physiological functions of the body. One of these proteins is cyclooxygenase 2, an enzyme involved in inflammation and pain. Ricinoleic acid downregulates this enzyme's production, ultimately lowering inflammation and pain. Also, the fatty acids in castor oil have been shown to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help speed up the healing process and prevent infection. Castor oil can be applied directly to the wound, or it can be used in a compress. The compress method involves soaking a cloth in warm castor oil and applying it to the wound. The heat helps increase blood flow to the area and encourages the absorption of the oil's beneficial compounds. Number 7. Natural remedy for menstrual cramps. Castor oil can be a natural remedy for menstrual cramps because the ricinoleic acid in the oil is a natural anti-inflammatory agent, which can help reduce pain and discomfort during menstruation. When you apply castor oil to the lower abdomen, the ricinoleic acid in the oil is absorbed through the skin. It then interacts with the body's prostaglandin system, which plays a role in regulating menstruation and inflammation. By inhibiting prostaglandin synthesis, castor oil reduces menstrual cramps and the inflammation associated with them. Also, castor oil increases the flow of blood and lymphatic fluid, which helps reduce bloating, a common menstrual symptom. Some people also like to drink castor oil mixed with lemon or grapefruit juice to relieve their pain. Remember that you should never drink large quantities of castor oil, since it can have a strong laxative effect. But besides that, castor oil for menstrual cramps is not just a notable relief. It is an affordable remedy that will help ease your pain. So there you have it, 7 amazing uses for castor oil. It's a great natural remedy with many benefits. Just be sure to speak to your healthcare provider before trying any new treatments. And as always, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to stay up to date on the latest natural remedies from our channel. Until next time, thank you, bye.